Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel, Decor and More with Anita. Happy Tuesday guys. I know you're seeing this on a Wednesday, but today's all about Tablescape Tuesday guys. So I am here trying to put together my napkin and I'm folding it into a bunny here you guys. So all you need to do is to make a triangle, as you can see, and fold or roll. Either you want to fold or roll until you're complete. Then you're gonna put your egg in and close it up. Very easy to do guys, and it's very cute and festive. So if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to put your post notification bell on so that you'll be notified whenever I put out new video guys. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. So guys, there you have it. Cute little bunny ear. Yeah. So at this time I have my bunny ear napkins all folded and ready. I'm gonna just go right ahead and set my table. Now guys, I just wanted to do a small table setting today, so I'm using my kitchen table to do this. I'm gonna be using my dining table at some point in time, but I'm using my kitchen table for today. Those beautiful golden white plates I purchased from Home Goods, and they were on sale I believe for I don't remember, I think it was $3.50 or something like that. Those plates you saw when I did those on camera, I DIY those plates. So those are basically window plates purchased from the Dollar Tree that I just stick into the plate, and they're easily removed. So I'm not going to be eating from these plates guys. I'm just using it for my table setting, just for decor purposes. That beautiful tray, I am so in love with this tray. I purchased from Home Goods as well. That pedestal or cake stand I purchased from TJ Maxx. It came with a dome, but I'm just using it as a riser today. So guys, this beautiful centerpiece that you see me about to use, I'm sure you guys have already watched the video. I have a tutorial. If you haven't seen that video, please go ahead and watch on my main channel. You see the video where I show you how I made that egg purchased from the Dollar Tree. Was for just $3, and I add all those embellishments to it guys. Absolutely beautiful and whimsical. I'm so in love. So this is also a DIY as well. So those two eggs were DIY using mainly Dollar Tree products guys. And if you haven't seen that video on how I made that DIY egg, please go ahead and watch my video. That is also a DIY, that bless sign. It was natural wood. I spray painted it white and add the butterfly. You're mine for sure. You're mine for sure. So I'm just adding pillows to enhance my tablescape, guys. Just trying to enhance the look of the tablescape and to give it a more cozy feel. You know, give the chairs a more cozy feel around the table. But just for the tablescape, just for decor purposes, just for the look of it, guys, because we don't really sit at the table with pillows. We don't really use pillows at the table, and this table is mainly used for prepping and like breakfast and stuff that we eat around it, we prep and stuff like that. But here is the finished look. Please comment down below, let me know what you think. I think it's absolutely beautiful.
Just so you know, ain't never let you go. You're mine, oh, just so you know, you're mine for sure. Yeah. You're mine for sure. Yeah. Ooh, you're mine for sure. I begin to
So guys, we have come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tablescape. And guys, please remember to hit subscribe and don't forget to share my videos with your family and friends. Until next time guys, be creative and be blessed.